Welcome to Lubera, the Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. My name is Markus Kobbelt. I'm founder and breeder of Lubera, and I'm here at the IPM trade show in Essen. It's a worldwide trade show for plants. Hundreds of companies are presenting their novelties, their new varieties, and we too. So one of our head novelties of this year are the Schlaraffia, Raspberries, and of course I have to explain what this is. Schlaraffia raspberries. These are raspberries like in paradise. They are growing without work and they give lots of fruit. So months ago we had there was an article in the Veg Gardens magazine, and they were criticizing a little bit our low berries, that they have not enough fruit on them. But look at it. If you have a raspberry or blackberry which is only 180 centimeter or 100 centimeter height, it cannot have too many fruits. It's not possible. But out of this I had the idea that we could have more compact fruit plants, more compact raspberries, which are a little bit higher but not really 2 meters high, which have loads of fruit. And in our breeding department, in our breeding fields, we have lots of varieties like this. Out of this we have selected 2 Schlaraffia varieties, which can be grown informally in your garden. You will not make a big row with 30 plants, but you will have one plant here, one plant another. You can grow them also in a container, and they become about 120 to 150 centimeters high. And they can be grown also in a container. So it's a middle thing between the compact low berries and the conventional raspberries, which are becoming about 2 meters high. 120 to 150 centimeters, thornless, no thorns on the plants. You can look here. That's a Schlaraffia variety. No thorns. And as I've said, very good plants to be planted here and there without trellis, or the variety Plentiful perhaps with a little bit a stick of 1 meter. What are the differences between the variety Plentiful and Nibbleme? Plentiful is a variety with a huge crop. I never saw a variety which has so many fruits on one bush. So when it's about middle of August, it stops growing on 1.20 meters, and it's full of fruit, green and red fruits. And so I never saw one variety with so many fruits. Only middle-sized fruit, very good aroma. And long ripening time from middle of July bis middle of September. The other variety is Nibbleme. It's very upright. Upright, 120, 150 centimeters, and on the upright stems you have 50 centimeters with fruit. And these are ripening very concentrated in a time between second week of July till second week of August, and very big fruit. So you can have a pick which is very concentrated, and you can work it into marmalade and other things. 2 different varieties. Plentiful, lots of fruit. Nibbleme, early, very big fruit, concentrated ripening time. Of course, in the future we will have more varieties in this Schlaraffia assortment, and we will inform you by video by YouTube. Both of these varieties you can buy on our Lubera shop from now on. Give it a trial and go on gardening. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera Co. UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.